Okay, just want to show you this Dyson before I start vacuuming and using it. I could tell you right now that that bin, the dust bin, is a lot bigger than the other bin that I have on another Dyson. And it's like really big. But I got the carpet head on it here at the bottom. Here at the bottom, that's what I'm going to be using on the carpet. First, I want to show you this. Actually tells you, I hope you can see that, what kind of things you're picking up. Your allergens, your skin flakes, dust mites, sugar, and it gives you a breakdown and tells you how much you picked up. And then it'll tell you when it's all clean. And it'll tell you how much of everything it picked up. That is phenomenally insane that this vacuum can do that. But we're going to see when I turn it on. And I just want you to see the things that it will pick up and tell you how much of it picked up. That's just, it's really, yeah, unbelievable for me. I don't even know what to say about it, but yeah, that's crazy good. Crazy good. Okay, here's the readout. I don't know if you see it like that, but let's see. It's going to tell me what it picks up in different colors. I don't know if you can see the colors there, but I'm going to run it. Okay, I'm just doing the bedroom here. It's probably got a lot of dust mites being the bedroom, I guess. It's not the lightest vacuum, but it's okay, and it tells you how much time you got left on it when you're vacuuming. What it's picking up. We'll see at the end what it looks like. Alright. Okay. Got good swiveling, that's for sure. This is something to expect with the Dyson, though. I'm just keeping an eye on my floor here. See what all I got. Okay. So it'll slow down, or excuse me, it'll pick up when it needs to, the speed for more suction, which is awesome. Slow down when it doesn't need that much speed. Maybe that's the cleanest area in my house, that little spot right there. Uh-oh. There's the dirty spots. I'm just curious. Right there. Clean spot, apparently. Clean spot. Uh-oh. Dirty spot, dirty spot. Okay. Again, slow down the suction, which will save you power, give you more battery time when it gets to the cleaner spots. Pick up when it gets to the heavier spots, but it's slowing down there, so it's getting better. Okay. Okay, now we're going to stop right there. Okay, normal. Okay, there's the little chart. And look at the lights that it has. And, oh, you can see things that you can't see. Do something. Ooh, sorry, folks. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. I don't know if the video is picking it up, but you can see Lots of little particles on the floor that you wouldn't see with the naked eye at all. And I don't know if you can see some of that or not. Let's see. Wow, wow. Oh, that was a heavy spot. Yeah. Kind of low down here. Same premise, I suppose. It speeds up when there's a lot and slows down when there's a little. Look at that light, though. It's almost like one of those black lights that you can see. Oh my God, if you take to a motel or a hotel and turn off the lights and use a black light and you freak out to see what's all over the place. Yeah. This is, boy, it's awesome, but I'm disturbed by how unclean I am.
Okay, so this is the Dyson Gen5detect. And let me tell you, this is an awesome, awesome vacuum. It comes with everything you see here, the actual vacuum unit, charging cord. It comes with a holder for the wall that this plugs into, so every time you hang it up, it is charging. Has this little attachment here. You can use it for crevasse or whatever. It's got a little bit of a soft bit there. And then this extends, so you have a nice brush tool, and that it would attach right to the end of the vacuum here if you want to use it as a handheld. Then this is the upholstery brush. It's for picking up hair, pet hair. It's got a little bit of a vortex action going on to grab the hair off. And you can use this again on the Dyson itself. It has the long wand with this brush for hard floors. It's like a soft velour, and you can see it swivels every direction. And then for carpet, we have this brush, which again has that swirly design for hair removal, and it pivots in every direction again. Of course, the important thing is how it cleans.
Very heavy on the race. Really heavy right here. Hurts your wrist a lot if you're extensively using this. crazy. Nice.